I think the back to the technical indicator. So firstly, I will talk about the moving average. So what is a moving average? Moving average is we just do this is a calculation, the formula for we just do adding the close price for the each day, number of the time period. So divided by number of the time period means like it's divided by 20 days, 40 days, 60 days, like that. So of course, like if this is divided by many number, then the curve will be slow, will be flat. But if this one, the n is using the small amount of number, then the curve will be steep. So that is a moving average. How to calculate formula. And then normally we use a golden cross. The meaning of the golden cross is that will tell us which point we should buy, which point it's indicating the price may go up. So here is an example is 50 days moving average is this blue line. So this is a blue line. It's slightly steep curve. Whereas this is a 200 moving average. It's a black line. It's more flatter. But then, as a theory, if this cross from the bottom to top, like for example, this 50 days moving average is crossing over the 200 moving average. We call it golden cross. Here is golden cross. So if we see the golden cross, then that will indicate to us that is a good time to buy. So we check about the history data, then see like how many times we see this golden cross. From the golden cross, if the price is really going up or not, we check about that percentage. So I already prepared the code, so later I will show you. But firstly, I will go through other indicator. So the theory, golden cross is when moving average is 50 cross over moving average 200. We call it the golden cross. Then when this happens, the price actually goes up after some days. So this some days is today I put the 10 days. Maybe like I can change to the 20 days, 30 days later. But let's try to 10 days first. Okay. So the next indicator, one of the most important indicator is Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band is basically it's what's the name? Normal distribution. So there's a standard deviation is middle of the line is a standard deviation. Within this, normally like we have, let's say like if you go to a school, then they have like this standard distribution, right? So some people, smart people, is reaching it's higher the number for this standard distribution. Then the people who doesn't study much, then it's lower score. So normally the people stay like this one is just people stay near the standard deviation. It's the middle part, because that is most of the majority. If there's a group of people, then most of the people is going to be the average area. The average area is this standard deviation. So in case of the stock, then this blue green line is a bottom. Then the upper green is a higher one, which indicate the bottom one is indicating it's selling too much. If the price is reaching to this bottom line, then that is indicating, oh, it's stock is selling too much. Maybe it's time to buy back again. Then if the price is reaching to this upper Bollinger Band, then that will indicate the price is too high. So it's time to sell now. So it's like that. Most of the case, most of the price stay within the green line. It's very rare to see if the price is beyond this green line. Almost 90% over is stay within this green line. And then there's a standard deviation here, so that is blue. That is an average. So if it's going there, that means normally the price is supposed to come back there, basically, in long run. So that Bollinger Band. Let's go to, okay, so this RSI. So what is RSI? RSI is also the indicator which gives us the information of the stock is selling too much, or stock is buying too much, stock is sold too much, stock is bought too much. So the calculation formula is like this. Okay, it's this one, top one, the 1 plus like average loss, and then divided by average loss, average gain divided by average loss, plus 1 is divided like 100 divided by that. So then eventually we get to the score. The score will tell us whether it's bought too much or selling too much. So that is RSI. This the calculation of the RSI. So this bottom one is giving us that information. Normally, if the price is reaching to this green line, means like this is oversold. If the reaching to here, it's supposed to come back because it's because they're selling too much. So it's supposed to come back like this. Like this purple line is go below this green line. Then eventually it's coming back here again. Same goes to this red line. If the price is reaching to here or beyond this red line, then it's coming back to middle. So that is RSI. So RSI is also very used, very popular indicator. Now let's go to today's theory. So today's theory is RSI 30. When the RSI reaches to the 30, the price actually goes up after some days. So that we will verify. By the way, so the previous one, the Bollinger Band is also similar. When the Bollinger Band touches down the lower Bollinger Band, price actually goes up after some days. This one is also, we will verify later. Okay, MACD. This one is also very popular. The MACD is it's using exponential moving average, 12 period of moving average minus 26. So they are using the two moving average, and it's kind of similar to moving average idea. But then that will give us the idea of like which timing we should buy. So they have like 3 lines. One is a MACD, this MACD line. They also give us a signal line like this. So signal line is a orange one. MACD is a blue one. If the MACD is crossover the signal line, that means time to buy. So from here, you can see this is a crossing line. This is the bottom. Price is bottom. then it's going up. This one is coming back again, but it's going up again. So after it's crossing this line, after this crossing this line, it's time to sell. Means like if MACD is below the signal line, then it's time to sell. Also, this is a histogram. Histogram is also showing about like it's time to buy or time to sell. So if this the histogram is showing the uptrend, that means like it's time to buy. Okay, so that is a MACD. Now, MACD, when the MACD crossover MACD signal with the MACD hist up, then price actually goes up after some days. So this is another validation we go through later. Okay, so the data analysis now. I already wrote the program here. This is we are using the alpha vantage. Alpha vantage is a API provider for stock market. They also give us many indicator. So this is an indicator they will give us. So simple moving average, exponential moving average, VWAP, stochastic, and then also the RSI, CCI, yeah, like that. So they also have the MACD here. Where was it? Somewhere. Yeah, MACD here. So they will give us a technical indicator that will be very useful. So I'm using that one in this program. Now I run this. Then this time, as an example, I'm using the Microsoft. Okay. So the program is like this. I just grab the daily data. Then from the daily data, we also adding the new column, which is the price up from previous day. Today price up and tomorrow price up. So what this means is price up from previous day is compared to previous day, today it's already up. So when you start the trade, then the price is previous day, it's already up. So that is one is the previous day is up, and the today price up means like checking about this open price and the closing price. So if the open price, the closing price is more than open price, that means this one is 1. That today's price is up. Also, the tomorrow price up means next day's price is also up or not. So that all of this information I just adding into one line, one row. Then also the percentage, I added the percentage, like how much percentage they gain within that day. Then some days after closing price means this one is a future price. For this time, I added 10 days later price. So so what this means is like currently closing price is 91.56, right? But 10 days later, the price is going. How much is that price? Actually, the 10 days later, this price is 86. So that means it's going down. So I'm adding the additional information here on top of the normal information here, normal the historical data. Then, okay, I have to run this one. Yeah, so this is the information. Now, let's check about the moving average. So the moving average, what I have done is I'm adding the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average here. If I run this one, then I'm adding trend. And then if the trend is, I think I can, okay, so then I can add one more things here. So what I can do is I can cut this one here. So I will run this one. Then one more. Okay, data. So you can see the data here. I'm adding the more information. This is the SMA trend, means whether the current trend. If the 50 SMA 50, this one is a moving average 50 days moving average is above 200 moving average, then I say this is 1. So also I'm checking about the how often when we see this golden cross happen. So if we see from 0 to 1 transition happen, then we can see the 1 here. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I run this one. Then you can see the answer. So in the Microsoft, golden cross point had 17 times in the past. Actual price up is 11 times. So the percentage wise, 64% they win. So the condition is like this, 10 days, okay? So after 10 days, at the golden cross point happen, when we see the golden cross happen, that time, if I buy, 64% I could win. So that is this moving average, the result, the golden cross result. Okay. Next, it's going to be the Bollinger Band. So the theory is we should see the price up after reaching the lower bottom Bollinger Band. If the same goes to like this, I'm not sure. Whatever is fine. Okay, so like this, right? So this is a Bollinger Band. So this green line is a Bollinger Band. If I reach here, it's going up after 10 days, or not. That is what we trying to verify from the data. Okay. So now I just run this. So Microsoft, they had this 5 times the Bollinger Band is reaching to bottom. Then eventually it's 3 times up, so 60%. So that is the Bollinger Band. Now the RSI. RSI I already mentioned here. So RSI here. The RSI is like this. 70% and 30%. If it's reaching to 30, then it's supposed to go up, or beyond this one, below this the line. Then we just check after 10 days. After 10 days, it's supposed to go up. That's the theory. So I check about that one too. It was 16 times, 10 times price up. So 62%, 62.5% is going up. Again, this one is 10 days. If this one is 20 days, 30 days, it could be the different result. But I'm talking about the 10 days, okay? MACD now. So the MACD is here. Again, it's coming back here again. MACD is same, like we see that this line. If the blue line cross this red line, then that means like it's time to buy. At the same time, I also check about this histogram. This histogram is also going up, then we have to buy. Then at this point, if I buy 10 days later, whether I get the profit or not. That is calculation, the validation I'm writing here. So let's see. MACD. So 33 times they had this line, the crossing the signal, MACD signal, crossover the MACD crossover the MACD signal. At the same time, histogram too. So then that one was 33 times. But then actually it's up, price up was 17 times. So it's 51%. Now, the additional information, I check about the day, like day of the weeks, which day of the week is getting more high. It's which week of the day get a higher price than previous day. So this one is giving us the Thursday in case of the Microsoft. So the Thursday today, they tend to go up. Which day of the week get the previous day next week. So this one is consecutively, like the previous day and the next day also going up, and today also means like the middle of the day. The previous day and the next day and today, all of these 3 days going up. How many times they see this? That is okay. So the 272 Wednesday is going up more than any other days. That is telling us here. Now, which of the day get a higher average rates? Okay. Which of the day? Okay, so then let's see about this. So higher average rates. So means like this one is already so Friday is minus, rest of the day is plus. Okay. Now this one is whichever the day get more than 3%. Okay. That one is I think the third Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday is getting more higher, the more than 3%. Then why this? Historically, how many days in a row they got the price up? Okay, let's check. So this is like additional information. But anyway, I will check about this. 9 days consecutively go up in case of Microsoft. Okay, 90% one day, within 1 day. How much percentage they got up? Oh, sorry, not 1 day. It's consecutively 90%. Okay, but anyway, so that's additional information. Let's go to different ticks. Do you guys have any request for the ticks? I will check about the chat. Like which the ticks you want to see. Huh? Can you type here? For now, I will just write the Adobe. Okay, so let's see like how the Adobe works here. Amazon also fine, maybe. Okay, let's go here. I will get the data first, and then data here. The moving average. So data. Okay. Now the theory one is moving average, golden cross. How many times we see the golden cross in the Adobe? 12 times. 8 times they win after 10 days. Okay. Maybe I better check about the 10 days to some other days later. Bollinger Band. 101 times they see the Bollinger Band touch the bottom. Now it's going up 55 times. So that means like 54%. I think it's low compared to my expectation. The expectation is this high or more, but it's not that high. 54% is, it's kind of half and a half. It's not that good. Maybe because this is a 10 days later. I will change that 10 days later. So this RSI, let's see, 62.5% more. So the 16 times, which is reached the 30, and 10 times it's going up after 10 days. So it's tend to go up, RSI. Okay. MACD, let's see. So the MACD is, we see that this golden cross 35 times. Then 19 times it's going up. The percentage is 54%. So it's not too high, actually. MACD 10 days, okay. Just in case, I will just check about other beats. Which day of the week is getting higher price? So Tuesday, no, it's Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Okay, so the next one, just in case. So this one is check which day of the week you get the previous day, and next day also got up. So it's almost evenly similar. Okay, evenly similar. So but Wednesday, I think the Wednesday tend to get the more higher Tuesday and then Thursday for some reason. I don't know. This one is average days. It's Monday is going down, but then Wednesday, no, it's Tuesday. Tuesday is nice. No, not Tuesday. Friday. Friday or Thursday. So they tend to go up in these days. Okay. Okay. So then let's go to again back to different ticks. Do you guys have any request for any ticks? Symbol? No? Okay, then I will check about Amazon. Now, change the day to 20 days. 20 days. So the people who came just now, I will just explain. We are just going through the indication. So we are just going through this moving average. We have the theory of the golden moving average. So when the moving average 50 cross over the moving average 200, we call it the golden cross. When this happens, the price actually goes up after some days. Now I changed this some days to 20 days. So let's see how it goes. I will just, I don't have to show this one anymore here. So I will just move all of this into one place. So this, okay, I will remove this one. Okay, so, right, so then Amazon. Then this one is, yeah, so then, okay. I have to move this. Yeah. Right. So then I will just run this. I will remove this. Okay, hopefully everything works fine. Okay, now moving average. Okay, so oh, this one is very low. 20 days later, it's going down again. So 11 times, they see the golden cross point. Then price actually up only 4 times. So most of the time, it's going down after 20 days. I'm not sure if 20 days is too much or not, but this is a result. Now the Bollinger Band. Okay, so this one is 63 times. 63%. So 130 times they reach to the bottom of the Bollinger Band. 83 times it's going up. So the percentage was 63. Now the RSI. Okay, so the RSI is bottom, it's reaching to the 30. That is 7 times only. And then actually it's going up 5 times, means 71%. So this is a very good indicator, which RSI, if it's reaching to the 30 by, that is telling that this number is telling us that MACD. So the MACD is okay. So the 16 times we see the golden cross. Then the actual price up is 10 times. So percentage-wise, 62% is going up. Okay. So that means it's very, it's okay. It's okay, usable. It's fine. Just in case, I will just do the calculation, calendar date also. Tuesday, then tend to go up in case of Amazon. Right? I think so. Yeah. Monday, Friday, it's going down. Yeah. So what else I can show? I think that this one is interesting. Right? So historically, how many days in a row they got the price up? Okay, so how many times? So 2001. So 2003, they go up consecutively. 10 days consecutively go up. 2003. Then also this one is price down. Price down case is 2006. They going down 9 days consecutively. So yeah, that is information. Okay, so the next one, do you guys have any request for the ticker? You can either talk to me or the chat here. Okay, if it's not, then I will just choose Apple. Apple, yeah, APL. Okay, so Apple. Now the moving average, right? If I see the moving average of the golden cross of the moving average in the Apple, with the 20 days, whether it's going up or not, it's not much. So I think this number, maybe I better change to 10 days. Then I can see probably the better information. 10 days or maybe 15 days. Maybe 20 days is too much. I think so. Technical indicator is mostly we use it in short term. So maybe like 20 days, because 20 days is 20 business days. It's almost 1 month. So yeah, so then I think 10 days is 10 days is better. So the 10 days means like 2 weeks, within 2 weeks, or maybe 5 days. I'm not sure. 5 days. Okay, let's try 5 days. Let's see. 5 days is just 1 week. 1 week later, if it's going up or not. In case of the golden cross, okay? Golden cross, Apple, 5 days. That is a current condition. Okay, 9.3. Oh, it's very low. So it's not going high. Bollinger Band. Okay, it's only one time. Now it's a RSI. It's 17 times it's reaching to the bottom. 8 times it's going up, so 47%. MACD. 30 times we see the golden cross. Actual price up is 21 times. So this MACD is very more accurate. So that is information here. Maybe like I can change again back to the 10 days. So let's see, like I just use the same ticker, simple. See like if it's going up or not. Then this is the data already I got. Okay, 9 times only we see, then the 2 times up. Let's see the Bollinger Band. It's 100%. Okay, so then let's see the RSI. 70 times 12, so it's going up very often, RSI. MACD. So it's also 55%, it's going up. Okay, so this is, okay, so what I can see now here is like MACD, in case of the MACD in the short term, it's we can usable. Means like if we see the golden cross, the MACD, it's usable in case of the Apple. Of course, like it's depends on the, sometimes depends on the ticker. If the some ticker, it's giving us good information. Some indicator giving us good information for some the ticker. But basically, that's the situation here. Let's go check about the weekly date here. In case of the Mac, in case of the Apple. Calendar data, which day of the calendar data is giving us the price high, which week of the day get a higher price than previous day. So that is Wednesday is up, go higher in case of the Apple, and then also consecutively, like check the which day of the week get the previous day, and then also next day also got high. Means like the previous day and then next day high, today also high. Okay, so then that is many times happen, and then winner is the Tuesday, I think. Friday. That means like a Thursday and Monday it's Wednesday. Wednesday is going it's the highest. Okay. Okay, so then let's go to different ticker. Any request? Ticker request? No? Okay, somebody commented now. Autodesk. Okay, Autodesk. Autodesk is the ticker code. Do you know? Not sure. Okay. Okay, then let's check here. Autodesk. This ADSK. ADSK. Okay. So ADSK. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. By the way, 10 days. Okay, 10 days. Okay. Okay. Moving average 70 times. We see the golden cross, and the only 7 is going up. Okay, so it's not that high. Now this Bollinger Band. Whether when this one reaches to the bottom Bollinger Band, it's going up or not. 107 times reaches the Bollinger Band, bottom Bollinger Band. 59 times it's going up. After 10 days, right? 10 days here. Okay, so 10 days. So this one is 55%. RSI is also 55%. 20 times we see the reach to the 30, and 11 times it's going up. It's very rare to see the RSI is reaching to the 30. But mostly it's around 40, I think, even though it's going down. But theory-wise, 30 is Rose C like this. Autodesk, let's see, like Autodesk. Autodesk here, right? Autodesk, yeah. Yeah, this one is Autodesk, right? So you see, like we don't see much when this RSI leads to this bottom. Also, I didn't have, okay, so then I can just hide this one. Then I can add the 50 moving average and 200 moving average here, okay? Setting, I think this one 100. So I will add the 50, right? 50. And then also, can I add one more here? Okay, so, okay, adding the one more moving average. Moving average. Okay, so this. Now this one is I'm changing the 200, right? Range 200. Okay. So this is 200. So we don't see the golden cross often because this is very far. And then normally like good companies, the moving average is always above this 200. So that's why we seldom see cross, the golden cross for the moving average. But we just check about the one here, right? So this is not right. This is not this is the truth. Okay, it's not so often we see 17 times only. But then it's going down. It's not going up much. But beyond Bollinger Band, 55% RSI. Now just calculate it. If you reach into the bottom after 10 days, 11 times is going up. Now MACD, let's check about MACD. 29 times we see the golden cross of the MACD. Actually going up is 18. So the percentage was 62%. That means MACD is very kind of reliable with 10 days later. 10 days later, if you intend to sell after 10 days later, means like 2 weeks later, if you have the intention to sell, when we see the golden cross of the MACD, 62%, you may win. That is telling us about this. So just in case, I will check about the calendar date, which day of the week is going up. So that is a Tuesday, I think. Tuesday, historically going up. In case this one is okay, is over. This one also, no, this one is a Tuesday. So what we can tell you is, if you have the intention to buy the Autodesk, Monday is a good day to buy. Including, you can also check about other indicator, but Monday is telling us it's a good day to buy. Okay. Another information I can give you for the Autodesk is maybe here, right? So 12 times, 12 consecutive days, they go up. So we have never seen there are 13 times. So that means like if you see that consecutively it's going up, then this is the maximum before. So you tend to sell before that, I think. That's the information here. They also, what else I can tell you? 16, how much percentage they got up? 16% up. So if you reach to 10%, yeah, if you reach to the 16%, then I think it's time to sell because you've never seen more than that. historical. So that is information from this historical data. Do you have any request for another ticker code? Okay. Okay. Just in case, then I will just do. I did Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. Then let's see about what was the name? Netflix. Yesterday it's going up a lot. So the Netflix, let's check about Netflix. So Netflix is, we don't see, so now it's going up a lot, right? Most of the time it's above. We don't see the golden cross. We don't see that only here. So golden cross, we don't see, we see the golden cross one time here. They also, yeah, we see the golden cross often in the MACD. Then also, in case of the RSI, we don't see the RSI is touching down the 30 much. So let's check about the Netflix, NFLX. So this NFLX, okay. Okay, so then moving average. Okay, so it's 5 times and then 5 times. So 50% is going up, 50% is going down. Bollinger Band. 29 times it's touched down to the bottom Bollinger Band. 17 times it's going up after 10 days. So 58% you could win. RSI. 30 times it's reaching to the bottom, the 30, and 13 times it's going up. So it's not that high. Maybe because like when the Netflix is sold a lot, it's still going down, maybe more than 30. MACD is 31 times we see the cross, and then 25 times it's going up, so 80 times more. From this point of view, what I can tell you is MACD is more reliable indicator. So that is, I think, not conclusion, but that is information. I think we can just tell you about which one is reliable, which one is not reliable. But because like we have the historical data, we can check these kind of things. Yeah. Do you have any question or feedback? Otherwise, that's it for today. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. I will see you next time again, next week. Okay, thank you.